Are you busting your butt in the gym, but not seeing the gains you deserve? You might be sabotaging your success with some common strength training mistakes. We're diving deep into the top 10 mistakes that might be holding you back from unlocking your true strength potential. We're not just identifying these pitfalls, we're giving you the tools to fix them and start seeing the results you've been working for. So if you're ready to take your strength training to the next level and finally see the progress you deserve, stick around because this video is for you. The first mistake is going into the gym without a plan. You need a structured workout plan, something that tells you exactly what exercises you're doing, how many sets and reps, and how much weight you're lifting. Having a plan keeps you accountable and helps you stay consistent. You're not going to get shredded overnight, but with a plan, you can track those micro wins and stay motivated. So before you even think about touching a dumbbell, get yourself a workout plan. There are tons of resources available online, or you can even consult with a certified personal trainer. You can have the best workout plan, but if your form is trash, you're wasting your time and risking injury. Proper form ensures that you're targeting the right muscles and maximizing your results. Don't be that guy swinging dumbbells like they're kettlebells or squatting with your knees doing a tango. Focus on quality over quantity. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a trainer or a more experienced lifter. We've all seen them. Those guys loading up the barbell with more weight than they can handle, their form looking like a cry for help. Don't be that person. Leave your ego at the door and focus on lifting weights that challenge you without compromising your form. Start with a weight you can lift comfortably for 8 to 12 reps with good form. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight, but never sacrifice form for ego. Focus on progressive overload, gradually increasing the demands on your muscles over time. It's not about how much you lift, but how well you lift it. Skipping your warm-up and cool down is like forgetting to put on your seatbelt before driving, a recipe for disaster. A proper warm-up prepares your body for the workout ahead. It increases your heart rate, blood flow, and muscle temperature, reducing the risk of injury. A dynamic warm-up, incorporating movements like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists, is ideal. And don't skip the cool down. It helps your body return to its normal state, gradually lowering your heart rate. A few minutes of light cardio and some static stretching will do the trick. You can't expect to see results if you're only hitting the gym once a week or whenever the mood strikes. Consistency is key, my friends. You need to make exercise a regular part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts per week and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Life happens, but try to minimize those missed workouts. Create a workout plan that fits your lifestyle and schedule. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to hold you accountable can make all the difference. Plus, it's always more fun to work out with a friend. You can't out-train a bad diet. What you put into your body is just as important as your workouts. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Hydration is also crucial. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased performance. And don't forget about protein. It's essential for muscle growth and repair. Overtraining occurs when you push your body beyond its ability to recover, leading to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injury. Recognize the signs of overtraining: persistent muscle soreness, decreased motivation, insomnia, and increased susceptibility to illness. Rest and recovery are just as important as your workouts. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week and listen to your body. Don't be afraid to take a deload week every few weeks to allow your body to fully recover. If you're not tracking your progress, how do you know if you're even making progress? Tracking your workouts allows you to see how far you've come and stay motivated. Keep a workout journal, use a fitness app, or even just jot down your workouts on a piece of paper. Track the weight you lift, the number of reps and sets you complete, and how you feel during your workouts. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them the most efficient and effective exercises for building overall strength and muscle mass. Don't get caught up in isolation exercises that only work one muscle group at a time. Compound exercises should be the cornerstone of your workouts. These exercises recruit more muscle fibers, leading to greater muscle growth and strength gains. Make sure to include at least 1 or 2 compound exercises in every workout. Building muscle and strength takes time and consistent effort. You're not going to transform your body overnight. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Be patient, be consistent, and trust the process. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and celebrate your victories along the way. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and the results will follow. So, there you have it. The top 10 strength training mistakes that might be holding you back from achieving your fitness goals. Now that you know what they are, it's time to ditch these bad habits and start seeing the results you deserve. Focus on quality over quantity, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Be patient and enjoy the journey. Now get out there, crush your workouts, and unlock your true strength potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and workouts.